The Parker Smart Suspension is an electronically controlled air suspension system designed to work in conjunction with a bus or coach suspension air springs, air spring height sensors, and wheelchair ramp sensor. The system provides increased efficiency, functionality, and uptime, while also improving passenger comfort and safety. Let's take a look at how it works. At the core of the Parker Smart Suspension is a pneumatic control unit, or PCU, and an electronic control unit, or ECU. Parker has partnered with Koni to utilize linear height sensors integrated into the shock absorber assembly. The PCU provides independent control of the airbag's pressure based on the ride height sensor feedback from the Koni shock absorber assembly. The PCU offers high and low flow deflation-inflation performance. The system incorporates proven electronic controller technology from Parker's Electronic Controls division. The Smart Suspension is a modular system. Parker has designed each system to control an axle. Each system utilizes a standalone controller that communicates directly with the vehicle. The Smart Suspension system is also an overall monitoring system, adjusting airflow as needed and alerting the driver to issues that may need to be addressed. Mobile functionality. During a typical bus route, suspension adjustments are needed to balance suspension height while the vehicle is moving. Parker's active leveling strategy evaluates air spring heights and pressures and makes necessary adjustments based on passenger movement during vehicle operation, acceleration, deceleration, and turning. Improve ride control. As the bus proceeds through a corner, the system will block air from entering or exiting the airbags. This allows for the most energy-efficient operation while maneuvering corners. The system automatically transmits suspension heights and pressures on the vehicle network, meaning the bus manufacturer can now adjust acceleration-deceleration strategy based on how heavy the vehicle is loaded with passengers. Kneeling. When the vehicle is stationary and the doors are closed, each system will hold its valves closed unless a driver-initiated height change is requested. Anytime the doors are open, the bus driver can lower the bus to the curb to make entry and exit through the doors easier. Height management. The rear suspension system manages heights and drives the overall levelness of the vehicle. The front suspension system is managed by a blend of pressure balance and height control designed to eliminate overloading of either front airbag. Wheelchair ramp system coordination. When the wheelchair ramp is in use, kneeling height can be adjusted based on the broadcasted suspension height, allowing for easier access to the bus and a more safe experience for passengers. Fault tolerance. The Parker system is designed to identify system-related issues. When a service code becomes active, the suspension system can minimize the impact to the vehicle by degrading suspension functionality until the vehicle reaches a point where service can be provided. Parker has an extensive list of service codes that pinpoint exactly where issues are. Additional functions. The Parker Smart Suspension also features over-raise. Raise ride height at all air spring positions to allow for increased approach, breakover, and departure angles for road conditions. Low ride. Lower the ride height position based on vehicle speed. Shipping function is to make it easier for the vehicle to be trailered to an end customer. Calibration function is made available to the OEM to reduce system setup time. For more information, visit our website